Get you some updates from down south. The Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has directed the police now to submit a report on July 26th over the death of a father-son duo that took place in Thoothukudi, who allegedly died in police custody. Two sub-inspectors have also been now suspended because of this entire incident, but the family has been crying out for a case against the cops. The inspector has been placed on the list pending inquiry, and action has been initiated against two head constables as well. Meanwhile, massive protests had also broken out in Thoothukudi after the family of the deceased allegedly custodial death by the police. Now, the family has said that they will not accept the mortal remains of the father and the son until the murder charges are filed against the cops.
எனக்கு எஃப்ஐஆர் ஃபைல் பண்ணி அவங்க மேல ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்கணும். எனக்கு வாயில் வலி எதுமே கிடையாது. ரிட்டன் பணி நீக்கலாம் ஒரு எனக்கு கடுமையான இதே ஒரு நார்மல் மனிதன் செஞ்சா நம்ம சும்மா விடுவோமா? யாருப்பா போலீஸ்க்கு இவ்வளவு பவர் கொடுத்தது? இது அநீதி இழைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கலாம். எனக்கு தமிழக முதல்வர் கவனத்திற்கு மறுபடியும் கொண்டு போறேன். எனக்கு நியாயம் செய்யுங்க, என் குடும்பத்துக்கு நியாயம் செய்யுங்க. எங்க அம்மாட்ட இவ்வளோ நேரம் நான் சொல்லலை. அவங்கள பாருங்க, என் குடும்பத்தில் ஒவ்வொரு மக்களையும் பாருங்க, எங்களுக்கு நியாயம் செய்யுங்க. மறுபடியும் நான் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
Let me go across to my colleague Pramod, who's joining me with further updates on this. Pramod, if you can quickly help us understand what is this entire case about, what had happened that day on June 19th, and what has been the observation that were made by the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court?
Case of custodial death, if we go by the account of the parents and the relatives, actually, because on 19th of June, one person called Jairaj was actually taken up by the policeman, claiming that he did not shut his shop on time as per the lockdown restrictions. So his son, Benix, has also approached the police, but he was also booked under various charges. When we looked upon the FIR that has been filed by the Tamil Nadu police, they claim that the father and son actually picked up a quarrel and they actually abused the police and threatened to murder them, and that's the reason they gone ahead and arrested them. However, what has occurred is that this Monday, Benix had complained of discomfort, and he was taken to the hospital, but unfortunately passed away. And the very next day, his father also passed away, and that is when the people who had gone along with the Benix and Jairaj to the police station had mentioned that they had gone through, they underwent abuse by the cops, and they have been very brutally beaten. In fact, a couple of the people who actually accompanied the father and son to the hospital have mentioned that they had rectal bleeding. So that has become a very big issue where many vendors, traders, and family members have come forward. They protested, because of which two sub-inspectors have been suspended currently, and the inspector of the police station has also been put on waiting list. And the family is still demanding justice, stating that FIR with murder charges should be filed now.
All right, Pramod, thank you so much for joining us with those updates.